Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. If you visit this channel for the first time, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get upcoming videos notifications. So let's start the video. In the previous video, I told how we can easily remember different structures or different forms of tenses and how we can easily form different sentences in different tenses. If you haven't watched the video yet, I will try to provide the link in the description box below and in the I button. Today in this video, I am going to tell you how we can easily remember rest of the tenses and how we can form different sentences according to the tenses. So let's try with some examples. Before going for some examples, I would like to tell you one point again. You should know different forms of verbs and be verbs and helping verbs as well. You should know different forms of verb and different forms of be verb and different forms of helping verb as well, which I mentioned in the previous video. If you know about the different forms of be verb, helping verb and verb, definitely you will be able to form different sentences in different tenses. So how we can form different sentences in different tenses by knowing different forms of verb, be verb and helping verb. And let's try some examples. For example, I have many friends. I have many friends. Look at the sentence. So this is a sentence of present tense and it is a sentence of state of possession as well. So if I want to speak this sentence in the past tense or in the past form, then what we have to do? We have to change the form of the be verb or the helping verb. So what is the helping verb here? Have is the helping verb here. So have is already used in this sentence. I have many friends. If I want to speak about my childhood, in my childhood I had many friends. So I have to speak I had many friends. So at what time? In my childhood. In my childhood I had many friends, or I can say I had many friends in my childhood. By changing the form of the helping verb, we can use the same sentence in different tenses. If I want to speak the same sentence in future, then what I will do? I will use will after the subject. I will have many friends. I will have many friends. Look at these three sentences. What changes I made in these three sentences? So in the first sentence, I use I have. In the second sentence, I want to mean about the past. At that time, I used I had, the past form of have. And when I wanted to speak about future, then I used will after the subject. I said I will have many friends. Like that, we can form different sentences only by changing the form of the helping verb. Just try to change the be verb and the helping verb of the sentence and the tense will change itself. And you should also try to know the meaning of the sentence as well. So if you try in such a way, definitely you will able to form different sentences in different tenses. Let's see some other examples. For example, I have informed her parents. I have informed her parents. Look at the sentence. This is a sentence of present perfect tense. If I want to speak the same sentence in the past perfect, then what I have to do? I have to change the form of the helping verb. What is the helping verb here? I have is the helping verb is used here. Then I have to use the second form of the helping verb. Then I have to speak I had informed her parents. I had informed her parents. But always remember, past perfect tense never use alone. So look at the sentence. I had informed her parents before you called me. I had informed her parents before you called me. That means I informed her parents is an action and you called me is another action. The first action happened before you called me. So in such situation, we have to use past perfect tense. And if I want to speak the same sentence in future perfect means an action will complete in future. And it also means that an action will be completed in future in a certain time. So like that, we can use this sentence in future perfect as well. So if I want to use the same sentence in future perfect, then I can say I will have informed her parents by this evening. I will have informed her parents by this evening. So look at the senses of these three sentences. In the first sentence, I used I have informed her parents. I have informed her parents. So I used I have and then the third form of the verb. So I have informed. So it is a sentence of present perfect tense, and the next one is the sentence of past perfect. Why? Because I use I had informed her parents before you called me. I have informed her parents before you called me. So I use I had and then the third form of the verb. In the third sentence, I use I will have informed. I use I will have and the third form of the verb. This sentence means future perfect tense. So in this way, you can form different sentences in different tenses only by changing the form of be verb or the helping verb. It's a very easy trick to form different sentences in different tenses. So right now, let's see some other example. Look at this sentence. It has been raining since morning. It has been raining since morning. That means an action started in the past and still it's going on. So it's called present perfect continuous tense. So it is a sentence of present perfect continuous tense. What I use in this sentence? It has been and the continuous form of the verb. So it is a sentence of present perfect continuous tense. If I want to speak the same sentence in past perfect continuous tense, so then what I have to do? I have to change the form of the helping verb only. So what I will do? I will change the form of the helping verb. So in the first sentence, I use it has been. In the past form, I will use it had been raining since morning. It had been raining since morning. Like that we can form different sentences. Like that we have to speak different kind of sentences in our daily life. I have been working in this company for 3 years. I have been working with this organization for 5 years. Like that we have to use different kind of sentences in our daily life, and like that we have to use different sentences in past perfect continuous tense as well. I had been working in that office for 3 years. I had been working in that office for 3 years. Like that we can use different sentences in different tenses. So try to change the form of the verb, be verb and helping verb, and then you should try to know the meaning of the sentence. Only by changing the form of be verb, verb and helping verb, we can form different sentences in different tenses. I hope you like this video. This was the second part of remembering tense. You may have liked this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and please subscribe this channel. I will try to upload different English learning video on this YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get upcoming videos notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.